Start by adding a cube. Expand it. And then in the Edit tab, select an edge and Pesses Ctrl plus B to bevel it, just like this. In the bevel options, select 16 segments, and then in Custom tab, set the preset 2 steps. Next, add a plane, and then go to Modifiers and search for the Ocean modifier. Adjust the settings to taste. Now, the time setting is going to act as your ocean movement keyframe. If you have an add-in for mega scans like Botanique, I'd highly recommend getting it, even a free version. If not, I will show you where you can get great scans for free. Sketchfab is a great site to get lots of free assets. Just keep in mind to not overuse it and keep an eye for licenses. I really like this model, but I will maybe keep looking for a different one. That's it. We're going to use this amazing model by Jaime Fleb. Now it's all about positioning and composing our scene. For HDRIs, I recommend Blender Kit. It used to come with Blender by default in the past, but now you have to download the add-in from their website. Time to add the sauce. The volumetrics are going to make the scene so much better, and to make it more efficient, I decided to use emission as a quick fog. Now this is great and all, but the scene is missing something. I will use Mixamo as a base for our cloth-covered character. I'm going to quickly make with Marvelous Designer in a second. Now, you don't have to be a genius to make this. You just need to make a circle or a square and drop it on top of the character. And to make it even better, we're going to add a little bit of wind. Once you're done, export it as an Alembic Ogawa file. I'm really sorry, but this is the end of the video because I forgot to record the part where I add rain, but it's just a green screen video on an image plane. Surely you can figure this one out. Thanks for watching, consider subscribing and checking out my Patreon. Cheers!